Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future weekly update 24th October to 28th October 2022. How did you do last week? I believe everybody you become profitable last week, and this week also you should be profitable. Do you have any planning for this week? If you have any planning, just compare your planning with this video and then make your own decision. If you do not have any planning, just check this video and do your own research based on this video and your own research. Start investing and you should be profitable. I advise everyone, do not enter into the market without research or without any planning. Okay, before analyzing and predicting for this week, let me quickly check what type of data are going to be released in this week. Alright guys, on Monday there is no major data. Tuesday CB consumer confidence, Wednesday new home sales, crude oil inventory, Thursday initial jobless claim, ISM manufacturing PMI, core durable goods order, and Friday core PEC price index and pending home sales. These are the data. Okay guys, we have checked the data, and those data they are going to be positive for the week, and then even the positive data the result will be negative, because if data are positive, then there is a high chance to increase the interest rate up to 0.75 on 1st and 2nd of November. There is a Fed meeting, and then they are going to decide next interest rate hike, and it will be very high possible to increase the rate 0.75 if there are positive data. That's the reason also, as soon as we get those positive data, instead of going the market up, it will start going down. That you need to be very careful. Sometimes what happens is that when data are positive, we think that the market will go up and then we'll buy, but it doesn't happen always. Sometimes when we get positive data, the market goes down and then we'll be in trap. But that's the reason I advise everyone that trade carefully. Even the data positive, the market will go down for this week. So remember that even the market, even the data are positive, do not jump into the bullish market in this week, especially for this week. This week is quite tricky. Always the market has gained about 500-600 points last week. Here this is the market at the moment. It is about 11,350, that label, and this label, it has immediate resistance label, and it is likely to cross this label. If it cross this label, next resistance label, that will be 11,650 around. That will be another resistance label. But if it doesn't cross this 11,350, let's say that 11,400, if it doesn't cross that label, then it is a high chance to go market down. Okay, so just check whether it cross 11,400 or not. If it cross 11,400, I suggest you to buy with a target 11,650, and if it cross that 11,650, next target that will be 12,000 for this week. But if it doesn't cross 11,350 or 11,400 this label, then market will go down and then start selling from that label. Your next target that will be 11,200, that's next target. 11,000, that will be another target, and 11,800, that will be another target. Market will be highly volatile in the coming week, so that when you trade, I recommend you to look your trade size. If your equity is not that big, I do not suggest you to trade big size, because if you trade a big size, then it is a very high chance to get a very big loss, and then that will be painful, and recovering that loss will be difficult. That's the reason. Just focus on your trade size at the moment, and then trade carefully. Okay, let's take some positive side. Profit taking and interest rate optimism are current market mover at the moment. You might be surprising why the market moved. Market become bullish last week. Why the market moved up last week? It is especially because of two reasons. One reason is profit taking, and another is optimism of interest rate. That is not for this November session, it is December. Okay, in December, the market, the trader, they believe that in December there will be like a 0.50 interest rate hike, not 0.75 or 1%. That's the reason market moved a bit up, and then sellers, they took their profit, and that's the reason also market is going up. And then based on Friday's move, still it is going up, and then probably up to 11,600 or 12,000 maximum. It can go that level, and then it will come down also. If it goes like 11,600 or 12,000, then fall will be very hard. At least it will test 11,000 or 10,800 before another pullback. So you need to understand that thing. Possible to continue the bullish move until 11,400 if it crosses 11,400. That is highly possible, but 12,000, that it has a very big doubt. It is not sure whether we can get that price coming week or not. That is very unlikely to get. But if the market, if the traders they increase the confident level, probably we can get that level as well. Now let's go for the bearish side. This week, what I believe is that there will be push and dump. Okay, pump and dump. Okay, push up and then dump might be seen in this week. That means even it reaches 11,600, it can quickly come back to 11,000. You need to understand that. Selling opportunity at 11,600, but crossing this level will trigger 12,000. Highly possible to test 10,800, and crossing this level will trigger 10,500. Alright guys, let's quickly check the prediction or the summary of the video. Market has collected some buyers at the moment, and sellers are trying to take the profit. That's the reason market is likely to touch 11,600 in this week as it crosses 11,400 level. If it crosses 11,400, there is a high chance to reach a market 11,600 level, and if it crosses that level, then next that resistance level, that will be 12,000. Weekly data are expected to be positive for this week, but that does not support to increase the price of Nasdaq 100 future. Support level at 11,100, 10,800 and 10,500. Resistance level at 11,400, 11,700 and 12,000. That is the resistance level. I believe that this video is helpful to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. If you like this video, thumb up. If you have any question, write down in the comment box, and subscribe the channel so that every week as soon as I make video, you will be notified, and then you'll not miss this type of video. Thank you very much for watching this video.